A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Greetings, and welcome back to this YouTube channel. My name is Anya-Jean Phillips, and today we are reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Look here, we're on a series about the miracles, signs, and wonders of Jesus. Yes, man, every morning at 5 a.m., you want to tune in over here to hear what God has to say in the Jamaican language. And if you want others to be able to hear the word of God in the Jamaican language, then be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever a new video drops. Yeah? Come with me. Early Sunday morning, the first day of the week, when it is still dark, Mary Magdalene go at the tomb and she said the stone will then cover the front of the tomb, the roll way. So she run past Simon Peter and the other follower where Jesus did love and said to them, say, them take the lad out of the tomb and we don't know where part them put him. So Peter and the other follower left go at the tomb. The two of them did run, but the one where Jesus did love run left Peter and reach at the tomb first. Him bend down and looking at the tomb and see the linen cloth where they wrap around Jesus' body. But he ain't going there. Then Simon Peter, when he come back in, reach and go straight in the tomb. Him see the linen cloth them, plus the burying cloth where they wrap around Jesus' head, put on in there. The other cloth did fall up and put one side. It never there where the linen cloth them did there. After that, the other follower reached the tomb first, going too. Him see and him believes that Jesus did really come back alive. Me dear, a God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.